In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to download videos on Amazon Prime to your phone in 2025. So this works for both Android and Apple devices, but I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. So once you get hold of your Android device, the first thing you need to ensure is that you have the Amazon Prime application, of course, right? So you could get to Google Play and you could just do a search for Prime or Amazon Prime or whatever it is, okay, Prime Video, and then you could install it. Okay, this is the application. You could install it and you could sign up for an account with your email address and phone number and log in. After you log in, you could open the application, and after you open the application, you could create a profile for yourself. Once you do that, you could go ahead and search for a movie that you want to download. Okay, it's not just a movie. It could be a series or whatever it is. You could download a lot of videos out here on Amazon to your phone itself. So for instance, if you want to go ahead and download this series, Mayfair Witches, I like this, it's very interesting. You could go ahead and just click on the download option out here to download the entire season. So within few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet connection, this is going to get downloaded to your phone itself. But it is going to remain accessible only through the Amazon Prime application or the Prime Video application to watch the downloaded videos. Not just this, you could download multiple videos to your phone and you could watch these videos even if you are offline. So after you have downloaded the series or movie, whatever you want to watch later on, you could even do so when you're offline. So if you're offline, you do not have an internet connection, nothing is working, no signal, you could just go ahead and watch a video from your downloads folder through the Amazon Prime app. But remember this, once you start watching the video, you need to complete watching it within 48 hours. And if you do not watch the video, if it's in your downloaded folder through the Amazon Prime app, it is going to remain there for the next 30 days, after which it is going to expire or it is not going to be accessible anymore. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend. Until my next video.